Brian Druker. I'm the director of the OHSU Knight Cancer Institute in Portland, Oregon. As oncologists, we are committed to improving the lives of our patients. And it's absolutely clear that the only way forward is to understand how our therapies work, who they work for, and then to get that into the mainstream clinical practice. And the only way to do that is through clinical trials. I had a conversation the other day with one of my staff, and we were talking about one of my faculty members who was talking to a patient about a clinical trial. And she was wondering, is this appropriate? And I told her a story about one of my patients who had been referred to me from hospice. And there was a lot of debate about, is this patient healthy enough for my clinical trial? And I actually was kind of skeptical because I thought, she's coming from hospice, she's got a lot of other illnesses, but her family and the patient wanted something better for her. And so I took a little bit of a risk and put her on our clinical trial. That was January 2000. And here, 17 and a half years later, she still comes to see me every 3 months in clinic. That was because of a clinical trial that we were able to offer her. Now, I recognize that putting somebody on hospice on a clinical trial isn't always the best approach, but the reality is that clinical trials are critical to moving science forward, to moving new drugs forward, and to getting them out into the mainstream. That's what we as oncologists have to do. We have to believe that we can make an impact, and that has to be through clinical trials.